What's up guys, it's your boy Manny back here again with one more review. Today guys, I got a little treat for you. I'm pretty sure you've already seen it. It took me a little bit to make this video, but I'm gonna release it either way because I think you guys should know about this. But of course I am talking about the Magsafe Battery Pack that came out for the iPhone 12s from Apple directly. They finally released it. It's been speculation for quite some time and now it's finally here. It's basically an open box. I wanna kind of show you what it looks like, how it looks like on the phone, and give you a little bit of details on it to see if it's right for you to pick up. So let's go ahead and just open this unboxing. Box just slides right open just like that. There it is, right in the center. It comes with a little plastic piece that you just peel right off and you get your first look at the battery pack. It's a nice color. I like the white. It's like a matte white with the little gray apple in the middle, so it's really nice. The back, as you can see, has the circle magnetic, the MagSafe chargers, and it has like a nice little rubbery feel to it, so it sticks good on the phone so it doesn't come out. I'll put that right here, and then in the box the only other thing you have is some literature right there inside the box. But first impression guys, it actually looks pretty cool. I like the feel of it. I think it's pretty grippy as for now. I don't know how much, how grippy it would be when you start getting your hand oils on it and stuff like that, but it feels pretty grippy. It is kind of thick, obviously, because it is a battery pack, but I'm pretty sure this is going to feel good on the hands. The previous Apple cases that have the battery on them do have that little bulk coming out of it, and it still feels pretty good in the hand. It gives you like a little bit more grip on the phone. So I don't think we'll have a problem with that. I'll just tell you one thing. I wish they would have made it like the colors of the actual iPhones. I think that would be cool if it had like that blue color and it matches with the iPhone. So I thought that would be cool. But this is all we get. We only get the white as of now. Maybe later on in the future they'll release other colors, but the white is all we have. Here you go. I have an iPhone 12 Pro Max. It clips right in, as you can see. Now, for sizing purposes, I have an Apple Wallet, so you can see, and if you put them right on each other, obviously it's thinner, the Apple Wallet, but it's pretty much the exact same size as an Apple Wallet. So size reference, if you're thinking of picking one up and you haven't seen one in hand, it's pretty much the same size as the Apple Wallet. So clips right in magnetically. It looks pretty cool on the phone and it feels good too. Again, when you're holding an iPhone, you have that gap in the hand from holding it. So this kind of just sits in there so you don't really feel the bulk. And to be honest, on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, you kind of have that little lip there. So it kind of feels cool because you can put your hand on that lip and kind of hold it. So it feels snug. Doesn't feel like it's going to come off. This is the silicone case, so I don't think it's gonna come off. That's on the 12 Pro Max. This is the 12 Pro. Now, I know you guys are probably thinking, what is that skin? D-brand skin, guys. Go ahead and check them out because this skin is totally cool. But on this phone, pops right in. Again, you have a little lip, obviously not as big as the 12 Pro Max. Again, fits in the hand pretty well, right in the center of the hand. Now, it's probably because of the skin, but it's very slippery on this phone, most likely because of the skin. I'll have to try it on with a case to see if that changes. But there you go, that's what it actually looks like. Doesn't look bad at all. I think it looks great. Apple, tends to make a pretty good product and they make it look pretty nice. Now, going into the nitty-gritty, the downside of it, as I would say, would be that this is going to cost you $100 for you to get this battery pack. And to me, I think for what it does, which I'm gonna go over it now, I don't think it's worth that $100. So for $100, you basically get the battery pack. You have to dig on the Apple website, or if not, watch another video to figure out how much milliamp this actual thing has. Let me read the back to see if it actually says it on the back, and it doesn't even say it on the back. Oh yeah, the 1460 milliamp. So this is not a lot. I mean, this is basically what the iPhone has as a battery. So it's not a lot of power, not a lot of juice. I know that there's other battery packs out in the market that'll do this for cheaper, and stay tuned because I have a video of this one compared to that other one I'm talking about, but definitely not a lot of power for $100. And then if you are sitting there saying, wow, this is awesome, it's going to charge my phone super fast, it's not gonna do that. It only does 5-watt charging when it's connected to your phone this way. If you wanted to do 15-watt charge it, you can get it, but then you have to plug in the power adapter to a 20-watt Apple power adapter, which you have to buy separately in order for you to get 15 watts charging. So that's a kind of a downside. And now a plus side is you can have it just like this and put it on your wireless charger and charge your phone and the battery. So I think that's pretty cool, but I don't know guys. I mean, first impressions, $100 for this is not where it should be. But of course, I'm gonna do the test it. I'm gonna put it through its paste and I'm gonna compare it to that other one that I was telling you. Anker is the other company that makes the other one. We'll compare it and see which one's actually better. But guys, first impression, I don't know. Let me know down in the comments below what you think, if you like it, if you wanna purchase it. If it was for me, I think I'm gonna wait for the next video to compare it to the other one to see if it's actually worth it. But there it is, Apple. You finally released it. I don't know if it's gonna be that good. Guys, this is Manny signing out with one more review.